Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Telco, and once again, I never planned on this, but I thought this is going to be a good content for this channel. As you know, this part of my life, this phase of my life is about my home renovation. I'm starting to build this place to be a home. Well, albeit not perfect, but perfect enough for both myself as well as my wife, Tiara. I just gotten a parcel from Amazon, and this is going to be my work desk and my gaming desk for this house. This is a new one. Previously, I've been using the Martian Gear standing desk, and I'm not going to use it anymore because I'm going to pass that desk over to my wife for her productivity and for her work use. So this is going to be my new one. All right. So I decided to go with a L desk. I'm not going to go with a traditional desk anymore because I just need more space for whatever things that I want to do, and I do a lot of tinkering, so I thought having a little bit more real estate is a very good idea. So that's why I'm going with an L desk. This is by 7 Warrior. I don't know whether you've heard of 7 Warrior before. Apparently, on Amazon, they are very, very popular. They got like several thousand reviews, all really, really good reviews. It seems like a lot of them are saying that this desk is highly underrated because it's affordable, it's good quality, but it's not being talked about enough. So I'm just gonna go with the flow because this entire thing cost me about $250. That's not bad comparing to the price of a standing desk. Standing desk can go from the cheapest being like $450 all the way to over $1,000. So let's see whether this is all worthwhile, and I'm hoping that this desk is going to last me for a few years. Hopefully, fingers crossed. All right, let's get going.
All right, and with time and with the power of editing, the magical world of video editing, you could already see that everything is in place. I've already furnished the desk. It's already set up for whatever that I need to do with regards to my work as well as my creative work. I'm not going to go through a full desk tour. Yeah, that's not going to happen for this video, but everything that I require, it's all here. And what I like is that if I'm doing my main work here on my main desktop, I can always switch around and have my meeting or my e-conference on my MacBook over here. Which is cool because usually in the past what I'll do is that everything is hooked up onto this main screen, the main monitor. Usually two of my devices, my gaming laptop as well as my Mac, is both hooked on to this screen. I have to switch things around using a USB hub. Sometimes the audio can be a bit wonky, especially if I'm using like this kind of setup. But now everything gets separated, and I feel that this is the most ideal setup for my workflow. So that's it, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. The link to the desk, which is the 7 Warrior desk, will be in the description box down below, so do check it out if you're interested to purchase it. If there's nothing else, I'll see you in the next, probably another home reno video or a product tutorial or a product review. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.